Hey angels, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna walk you through how you can create a capsule wardrobe. If you like this video while you're watching it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that little red subscribe button down below before you leave. I post videos twice a week on fashion, beauty, style, the odd vlog, and would love to have you come and join this community. And if you're gonna join me here, you may as well hop on over to Instagram, as that's also where I tend to be very active, as well as my private Facebook group, the Style Squad, where thousands of women are posted daily outfit inspo, they're posting self-love journeys, and our shopping addiction finds. And I would love to have you guys come and join me there as well. Now, if you guys have been journeying with me for any length of time, you probably saw my capsule wardrobe video that I had done last year, where I had taken 14 clothing items and turned that into 107 outfits. Now, a lot of you were messaging me and still message me about that video, asking me to show you how to replicate something like that, so that if you are looking to make a capsule wardrobe, you'll be able to do that as well. So here we go. Now, anytime my clients ask me about creating a capsule wardrobe, the first thing and the most important thing that I recommend you do is write down how you spend your time. I feel like not enough people really think about how their day sort of unfolds or how their week unfolds. And in order to have a successful capsule wardrobe, you really need to make sure that your clothing is going to be functional for you, in addition to being stylish as well. So grab a piece of paper for yourself and ask how you spend your week. Are you at work? And if you're at work, what types of pieces do you need? Are you in a business casual environment? Are you in professional? Are you in a corporate environment? Are you someone that only needs smart casual pieces? Are you in activewear all day long? Are you stay at home, whether you're working from home or a stay-at-home parent? Whatever the case may be, write down all these little segments of your life that you might need to take into consideration when creating your wardrobe. And there, also ask yourself how much time you spend in each section. So that way you know what part of your life will need a larger portion of clothing, or at least to be considered for clothing when you're creating a capsule wardrobe for yourself. Now, the second thing that you want to do in creating a capsule wardrobe, and this is the biggest thing, okay, for everybody, and that is to create what I call modules. Now, modules are a group of clothing items that all mix and match with one another. Now, this is going to be the meat and potatoes of your capsule wardrobe, but you will need a couple of modules in order to make a really cohesive capsule wardrobe for yourself that's functional and it's easy breezy when you get ready in the morning. So what a module is one outer layer. Now, the outer layer could be a blazer, it could be a cardigan, it could be a denim jacket, I don't know, whatever, right? And then you also want 3 tops. Okay, so it could be a long sleeve shirt, a tank, and a blouse. It could be any mixture of 3 tops, doesn't matter. You also want to take 2 bottoms, right? And that combination will give you, so those 6 pieces will give you 12 outfits. Now, the key with the module is you want to make sure that each top goes with each bottom. So you will, from that combination alone, from those 5 pieces, you will get 6 outfits, okay? And when you do that combination again with the outer layer of your choice that you've decided to encompass with that module, you will get a total of 12 outfits. You will often hear people say, oh, well, you should just wear neutrals all the time. Neutrals are the easiest to blend. That's what's going to give you all the versatility. And while that could be true and can be helpful, it really kind of cuts everyone out that likes color in their life. I mean, as much as I love a good neutral, if I had to wear it the rest of my days, I'd be pretty bored. So what I normally suggest is to find a printed top. Now, you don't have to do this, but I often find that this is a great way of going about it. So grabbing a printed top for yourself, whether it's in color or whether it's in neutrals, is entirely up to you. But I like a color printed shirt to use as my starting point within a module, because that way, when I'm building or adding in those other 5 pieces to the rest of my module, I can pull colors from that printed shirt that will help make a cohesive module so that everything mixes and matches with one another beautifully. And this way, I can add as much color into my capsule or as little color into my capsule as I want. You'll find for most part though, whether you're someone that wants neutrals or wants color, generally speaking, you'll probably have 2 or 3 dominant colors within a given module at any time. The reason modules are so crucial and so helpful in your closet is because they maximize your dollar and outfit options like you would not believe. Hold on to your pants, it's about to get real. If you have one module that's functional for you, like I said, it can give you up to 12 outfit options. Now, if you take a second module that also blends and marries well with the first one, and you're able to combine all of those pieces together, you will have taken your outfit options from 12 to 48 to 72 outfit options. And if you add a third module that mixes with the other two, your outfit options will have gone from 162 to 216 outfits. So not only have you given yourself a crazy amount of outfit options, like almost an entire year, right? You've also maximized your dollar as well. So doing this will allow you to purchase clothing items that might be a higher quality or of a better grade so that your clothing stands the test of time. You'll also look a little bit more elevated because the quality of the clothing is a little bit better, and you can focus using your money somewhere else towards travel or other fun things or needs that you have in your life. The other thing that comes into consideration with these modules and with your capsule wardrobe is you want to make sure that you've got a variety of your basics within that. So as you're picking out these outfits, or as you're picking out the pieces that are going to go into a module, don't forget your basics, like potentially a crisp white blouse if you need it, or a basic white t-shirt, or simple silhouettes that can be incorporated into your module in order to give you the versatility you're looking for to create multiple modules that go together. You guys hear me talk about basics all the time, and that is just because they are what holds outfits or looks together. It is the foundational glue for your closet. So if you're not quite sure what wardrobe basics are, I'm going to link my video for that down below in case you guys want to check it out. Those are my suggestions as to what wardrobe basics are. It's what I tell my clients about all the time, right? And this could vary a little bit depending on, again, your lifestyle and how you spend your time. But again, those are my recommendations, and I find will give you a lot of versatility within your wardrobe. Now, the fourth tip that I have for creating your capsule wardrobe and your modules is to make sure that you incorporate a little bit of print. So like I said, you don't have to go crazy and colorful like I tend to gravitate towards sometimes, but you want at least maybe some kind of print, whether it's loud or something that's more subdued, even if it's in a neutral, just to make sure that you have something to break up the look of your outfits. From having done so many personal shopping sessions and so many wardrobe sessions, I can tell you that as much as we all love a good classic piece, sometimes if you're staring at a basic solid all the time in the mirror, your eye can get bored. And this is where accessories will come into help, right? To help break up the look of things. But sometimes you just want something a little bit more exciting to look at. And that's where fun details and prints can make a huge difference. Now, the next tip of mine is to also get some bomb accessories you can use all the time. Now, you'll want to make sure that all of these accessories, again, rotate and work with all of your modules, ideally, just so that, again, you have a seamless integration into your closet for your accessories, for your clothing. So again, if you're having a crazy busy morning and you don't want to think about what to wear, you can just grab a few items and know that they're going to go together. But accessories are something I stress so much because they really can change a look completely without you having to try too hard in order to come up with a different outfit. So getting yourself a couple pairs of shoes, or having one or two sets of shoes that can go with each module, and then maybe a necklace and a set of earrings or something, right, to go with each module, will give you, again, some variety within each outfit option so that you're not feeling stale about what you're wearing every day. And the last tip that I have in regards to creating a capsule wardrobe is to make sure you catalog your outfits. It's wonderful to say that, you know, maybe you have 216 outfit options in your closet, but do you really know what they are? So even within a capsule wardrobe, you will still find that you're going to favor certain looks more than others. And maybe it's because you love how it looks on you, or perhaps It's just a combination that you constantly think of really easily. And while that's not a bad thing, you do want to make sure that if you're going to use a capsule wardrobe, you can maximize it and use it for what it really is. And that is to give you multiple outfit options with the least amount of clothing. So when you get dressed in the morning, if you have created a different outfit option for yourself, make sure you catalog it by taking a picture in the mirror so you can work on your selfie game a little bit or have a friend or family member take a picture of you, and make sure you put it into a photo album, whether it's on your phone, your iPad, your computer. If you want to print it out and put it on a corkboard, let's say, for example, for yourself, just so you have all the outfits visually available for you at site, that's going to help you create, or not create, but visually be able to pick out an outfit like that in the morning and not have to think too heavily about what it is you want to wear, and most importantly, know what kind of outfit options you have to begin with. You may be someone that needs 1 or 2 capsule wardrobes within your closet. Now, I say that because depending on what your lifestyle is, sometimes you will not be able to integrate some pieces into your casual attire. For example, if you are someone that is at a high-level corporate job and you are required to wear a suit all the time, you will need to make a module or a couple modules geared towards your work environment to make sure, again, that you've got a seamless integration and mix and match for your work environment. But obviously, you're probably not going to want to wear a suit in your personal time, so you will also create a small capsule wardrobe for your personal or smart casual attire to make sure that you've got some versatility and outfit options there as well. Don't feel like you can only make one capsule wardrobe or module for yourself and it's got to work for all aspects in your life. That's not realistic. It can definitely work for some people, but not everyone fits into that mold. So be okay stepping outside of that to making it something that fits and works well for your life. That is the whole point of personal style, is to personalize it for yourself. Anyway, guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that little red subscribe button down below before you leave. And other than that, guys, I love you to the moon and back, and I'll see you again in a couple days. Mwah. See ya.